Okay, so Paras,
Yes, sir.
technically in this subject, we are going to, talk about how simple digital marketing is, okay? How simple digital marketing is actually, okay?
Okay.
So in digital marketing, so we have chosen an offer, right?
Hmm.
Uh, the offer is from Maxbounty, of course, okay?
Okay, okay.
We have set up a landing page, we have set up an email sequence, we have set up a Facebook campaign, a short video, an ad copy, a call to action. We have set up the tracking. Now the campaigns are live. Now we are collecting subscribers. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We are capturing subscribers from our Facebook ads campaign. Basically, we are spending money, right? Now, if we've spent like, 6.99 for this campaign, right? Uh, and we are capturing subscribers, and if we are getting a conversion of 5.80, that is pretty good, right?
Yes, sir. Around 40%.
Yep. So, and the
Okay.
open rates are also good. Out of 10 total emails, 7 people open. So the open rates are good as well, right? Again, okay. So we've generated around $11 so far from this campaign, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
Now, and the rest of the work will be done by the email sequence. Now, this is not it. We would be able to promote more offers to these subscribers from Canada
Mhm.
after this sequence finishes up, right?
Yes, sir.
So technically, to run an offer, you just need to do these steps A, B. You just need to follow A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and E. Okay,
Yes,
that's it.
yes, sir.
You just need to decide on an offer. The first thing for you to do this is you have to choose an offer, okay? And then create the B, C, D, and E stuff on that and set up the campaigns,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that's pretty much it for this subject.